start listening to her again. The one that makes me now just unsubscribe, so that even upon I unsubscribe, sometimes I used to see his message. I will just click not recognize. I don't recognize that channel. It's that very day that you do that thing that when they are voting for self-defense. That thing that she did there, I don't even wait to even listen for more, because I already know that if they did not suspend that means they don't know what they are doing. That thing that she did there, like somebody was saying something. Somebody was saying something. She's not the one saying anything. There's one man that first making a comment. She was there saying, oh. When I read that thing, I said, what kind of nonsense is this? If I thought you have something to say, you keep it to yourself. When it is your turn, then you make your comment. He said, like I see that in a primary school background. Yeah? Then, when did I give him his soul to say, he started blabbing nonsense. Immediately, I just stopped following that woman. Because I hate listening to people that talk stupid. So all these guys, you see, the people that they can hear not go to school, but I have that spirit that in me that once you are a liar, I know that you're a liar. Somebody like this guy, religious, not everything he say I used to listen to. I just like the guy. Not everything he say I believe is true. No, I know the one that is lie. I know the one that is true. But when you are not angry, the same person you told us that is already dead, somebody like a caterpillar, you told us that he's dead. Now you are not angry that person came to rescue us. If at all the guy has common sense, I don't know if it's something that I can even say. If at all this guy has common sense, you should have known that Caterpillar and this man that he used to compare him with Gaddafi, they are not the same. Gaddafi is in social media doing his own trouble. So they can suspend him that they don't want him. But this one is in the ground carrying gun. Which you know that if that kind of person come out to tell you that they want to go and help you to defeat your enemy, yes, you can afford it, because if you go there and survive, fine. If you go there and die, fine. Are you getting me? So I can't see somebody that you feel like it's my enemy and the person is telling you that you will come and help me to fight, and he's doing it, I'm seeing it. He said, I should say that this person will not go and do this. No, I won't do that. So for him to use because of that, causing all these things is bullshit to me, because I don't even listen to him anymore. Understand? So all these people, they can only convince the people that they can convince. For a person like me, they can't convince me, because it's only when I listen to your video you can convince me. But when I don't listen to your video, you can't. The only thing that makes me see that they are even talking is when you people bring their video in program. Then I listen. Sometimes there's some one that I'll be listening, I'll just be bored and I'll just go away for the moment. Yeah. When you start making your own statement, then I come back to listen. Because I don't know the kind of friend this people have. But anyway, because in anything you must argue that. So that is it.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. I appreciate it. Thank you. So that's our brother there. Some of you don't like to hear their voice and all that. I understand, but you need to understand that there's no way you can analyze somebody without listening to the person, of course. Do you understand? You cannot just analyze somebody based on your own personal feeling. Sometimes you need to give them chance. You need to give chance for people to see what you know. Then they will believe you more. But if you want to push everybody to do what you want, believe you, no, it doesn't work that way. Sometimes you need to understand that it's not about you. It's about the reality, what it is. Focus on that. Do you understand? So, my people, we have come to an end of this broadcast. I think we have tried our best this morning. Like I promised that I will come back, that I will stream this morning, and I have done just that. Some people called, but we cannot take every call, isn't it? We have tried our best to answer call. I think, let me, just a moment. Okay, so we are not going to waste much time, like I said. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, hello, my brother.
Yeah, good morning. You have